I am Dr. Raju Tyagi, infertility specialist from Javitri Hospital and Test Tube Baby Center, Lucknow. I will be discussing on ovulation trigger. As you know, the result of our IVF cycle largely depend upon ovulation trigger. Getting a good mature oocyte and avoidance of complication like ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome and luteal phase defect can be done by selecting a right drug at the right time. I will be discussing different modalities available, their indication, their advantages and disadvantages. At the end, I will thanks to ISA for conducting this scientific webinar and DocMore for their technical support. So be with us on 23rd April sharp at 3 p.m.